ng paggising, saan na naman ang punta natin? Well, it's a weekend, so syempre, ride muna tayo. Beyond the plans for today, wala naman, laid back lang. But I'd like to treat this day a little more nostalgic. Imagine na lang natin, magandang magbalik tanaw ng konti for the reason that, you know, life passes by, lalong-lalo na yung mga taong naging kasama natin when we were just starting. And our good friend is now based in the States. So, mas magandang makapag-catch up. And I think he'll be flying back in the US within the week. So, talagang sasadyain natin. Just like riding, you need to make time with your bike. And it strikes a balance to any of our worries, our doubts, our fears in life.
Medyo marami ng tao sa labas, pero mas maganda nun, maaga pa, wala pang traffic. Kasamahan na kung sa biyahin ko. Pero for now, kape muna tayo.
Oh my God! Kasi mo?
Hindi nakakatakot. Kanina malamig on the way. Sabi nga namin, malapit lang.
Lapit lang eh.
Tambay muna tayo. Hindi, dumadaan kami rito kaya alam namin log house.
Oh.
Oo.
Tayo mag-order ng coffee.
Oh, sige, sige.
Barbecue and Pepsi. And then beef lomi. And then special lomi.
Classic.
Oo, magdala naman siya.
Puno rito, punong-puno.
Oo, kanina.
Diba?
Tsaka big bike.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ingat, sir. Uy, bye!
Limited edition, limited. This one is a newer model, or colorway rather. This is one is limited, Marquez limited, another limited one. So ang ganda cushion nito. When you look at these coordinates in yung office ni Revit. Not bad for 10,000. Yan, bugbog na nga yan, eh. Diba? Ayan, marami pang options. I think this one is also good from Revit. Ito yung denim. Although gamit niya Hydratex kasi it's also waterproof. Yun naman ang brown. So may extra shoelace siya. Okay. Those are nice options for an all-rounder. Pwede pa siya sa office. Pwede rin everyday use kasi malambot talaga. Okay, again not sponsored video pero very very good cushion kasi Ortholite yung gamit niya sa loob. Suede So I'm not so sure how it will be maybe daily or pag nabasa. So the wear and tear. But in terms of technology, TCX, especially the Z plate, yung protection niya, ayan, here on the sides. So that's why it's also a good brand. Again, hindi siya ganun kamahal. But when you look at the price plus the quality, it's really a good combination. There's a limited edition Revit and Kriega. Oh, here. I think this is the one. Pa natin, ha? Ayaw pa naman natin bumili. Mapapabili tayo ng wala sa oras. Revit and Kriega. It's kind of heavy, pero it's really looks and feels durable. Diba? Ito, lalagyan to lang. As far as I know, pwedeng helmet dyan because this is rubber. Very stretchable yan. But the opening, so mukhang okay siya rito dahil sabi nga nila it's really made for motorcycling. Ito muna natin dito. Hindi ko nadala yung aking mount. Tingnan natin. Uy, pwede. Ganda ng ano niya, packets ha. Hold on, let's check the price. 16,490. But when you use it, the curved part here, ito yung movement ng air. A very good chance that this is built for aerodynamic and at least comfort. Pero yun nga lang yung lalagyan niya. So, paano kaya? Dito, nothing, not that much. Okay, subukan muna natin. Okay, here's another one. Ito medyo okay yung presyo. Kanina 16,990 eh. This one is 13,490. Meron din by Kriega, Revit. Medyo mas marami siyang pockets. Nice! Diba? Tingnan natin yung mga openings niya. Oh, not bad. So, hindi naman complicated. But what I like about it is a pocket here up front. Mga instant storage. Pero on the sides, wala rin eh. Okay. Anyway, let's try to fit it. Tingnan natin how good. Wow. Side. I think mas okay yung fit. But the other one, okay, open mo nilang itong baba. Pwedeng hanggang bewang yan. Pero parang mas maganda yung curve ng kabila eh. What do you guys think? For 13,990, the other one 16,990, a difference of 3,000. It has the frame. You felt that kung magiging protection din siya, added protection, especially sa back. Pero yung compartment niya, pahaba, feeling ko konti kasi nga with the bracket, with the brace. Ito, since meron siya sa harapan at meron siyang inner, I think it's more practical, especially mga 1 or 2 days na trip. Tapos with a side bag, or kung hindi naman kailangan, you just need a quick trip at meron kang naka-ready dyan for mga tools. Tingnan natin. Let's check later.